Today's I'm going to show you how to connect this DigiColor processor to your Radio Master. So as you can see here, we're going to connect the DigiColor using the I2S output that is here, as you can see, and we're going to connect this to the Radio Master. We are using the 12-volt output of the Radio Master here to supply the DigiColor board. So as you can see, we have here a very easy setup that we are using the 12-volt output of the Radio Master to supply this external board. Okay, all right, let's see. Okay, so as you can see, we start the transmitters and the DigiColor processor is now connected, and so in a few seconds we're going to start. So we have connected the DigiColor to the mixing board and the transmitters, and we are playing the track. And now I'm going to speak to the microphone. Probably it will do a Larson, but anyway, make the job, very easy. It's pretty cool, and you can hear very loud on the radios, whatever I am doing on the mixing board. I can down my microphone here, and yeah, it's pretty cool. I like that. I can do that for hours with the DigiColor processor.
You are listening